The next one is Upanishads. Upanishads. Upanishad means, write down, Upanishad means to sit before. To sit before, just to sit before. It means this kind of knowledge you have to get only from the teacher. Only from the teacher. It's not in the form of the shlokas. It's purely a kind of dialogue. It's purely a kind of debate. It's purely a kind of question and answers and small stories. And with the parables, small stories, as well as the debates, dialogue, and this knowledge is being shared from the guru to the teacher. Write down. It is in the form of parables. It is in the form of parables, dialogue, and debate. Dialogue and debate. Yeah, how many Upanishads we have? 108 Upanishads. Write down. 108 Upanishads are present. 108 Upanishads are present. Examples. Examples. Sveteshva Taropanishad. Sveteshva Taropanishad. Mundakopanishad. Mundakopanishad. What is the importance of Mundakopanishad? You know, we have the Satyameva Jayate in our emblem. That Satyameva Jayate is taken from the Mundakopanishad. Write down. Mundakopanishad. Satyameva Jayate is taken from Mundakopanishad. Very, very important. Underline. It's UPSC, Public Service Commissions, number of times they asked about this question, Mundakopanishad. Next. Kathopanishad. Kathopanishad. Kenopanishad. Isanopanishad. Like that we have 108, it's not possible for us. Even it's not important. So my discussion is, what was the content in these Upanishads? What they are talking and what they are discussing? Lifestyles. Lifestyle means?
Like how to behave.
How to? Behave. Yeah, good. Principles. Then lifestyle means what you wear, what you eat, okay, what you build, what you get. These are all the materialistic interests. Materialistic interests. But these Upanishads, it talks about what happens after the death. Point number 1, spiritualism, purely spiritualism. It discusses about how this human being was created. What was the purpose of this life? Have you ever questioned yourself? What was the purpose of this life? Why you were born? Is it to become the IAS officer? Or else to become the wealthy man? Or else to become the father, mother, a good son? Is it the purpose of the human life? Have you ever questioned it? What was the goal of the human life? Okay, forget about it. That can be, varied. Who created the human being? Yeah, God. So according to the Upanishads also, this entire life, this entire universe was created by the ultimate reality. Ultimate reality. We call that ultimate reality as the Brahman. Brahman or supreme being or supreme soul. Supreme soul. He has created this entire universe.